Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vira. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot on your Infinix Smart 9. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, to take a screenshot on your Infinix Smart 9, you can push and hold volume down and power button together like this. This is volume down button and power button together like this. And successfully take a screenshot on your Infinix Smart 9. Okay, once again, this is the volume down button and power button together like this. Yep, successfully. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.